All right. Welcome to the daily money market with an intraday, a daily trade analysis. So yeah, man, today's Thursday, another day, that we can check it out in the market and to see how the market is performing and just to look for few opportunities that we can be able to actually, jump in and capitalize and make something out of it. So yeah, definitely before we actually, go further, what we do all the time is to check in terms of the high impact volatility. I think the whole week it hasn't been really productive week in terms of the high impact volatility. We have seen 3 days, almost 3 days, to not having a high impact news that are happening. But the market has been really performing very well because of a lot of things that is happening, geopolitics, company earnings. So those are the things that has been pushing the price, or pushing the market to go all the way up or all the way down. So again, the key point that we explained yesterday, that do not ever, try to actually sell when the market is on the bottom, and do not ever try to buy when the market is on a higher note. So that's a take point from yesterday. Today, again, we need to have also another take point. So yeah, before I give you the take point of today, let's just see how actually, in terms of the high impact volatility, it's actually, doing. Today's Thursday, February the 8th, in the morning, Sydney session, 3:30 a.m., we saw Chinese CPI year to year. And again, there was a Chinese PPI, there's a consumer price index, and as well as there was Chinese producer price index as well, that measures the consumer, how much consumers has been participating in a market, and PPI that measures how much the producers have been produce the product and they've been selling, to the retail industry. So 3:30 p.m. we're going to see an employment claim from the United States. Again, is going to drive a lot of in terms of the dollar instrument and the dollar zone. Again, later after 3:30, around 4 p.m., there's FOMAC member speaking as well, back and speaks. So we're expecting high impact volatility when these FOMAC members are speaking, because they are actually, the policy makers in terms of Federal Reserve of the United States. 7 p.m., there's another FOMAC member as well speaking. Again, at 8 p.m., the 30-year bond auction, one of the highly anticipating news that a lot of people, they don't pay attention. It's the bond year news, 10-year bond year news, 20-year bond year news, until 100 years bond year news. These are actually events that measures in terms of how much bond is being purchased. Again, there's another story when we have to simplify what a bond is. When you apply a bond from the bank or from the government, or being subsidized by the government, what are those papers doing? Where are they going to take them to? And so on and so forth. So yeah, that's actually, what is cooking today. So without wasting time, I would like to jump in the market. Of course, I've been seeing, when we look at, for example, Swiss franc versus Japanese yen, this is another instrument that actually is performing very well. It's already have a high impact movement at the moment. And if I look at it on the 30 minutes, I think the market is looking really ridiculous. Okay, I think it will push the price to 170.798. The reason why I'm giving you guys the short trades these days at the moment is because of, we are on intradays. If we go and focus and concentrate on a bigger type of trades, and we're trading in a daily entry, so it will become a challenge. It needs you to deposit a lot of money so that you can be able to capitalize on that. But here's a short position that you can be able to take it all the way to 170.798. When you get there, you can actually have yourself position. So here you can have your sell position, or you can put your pending order, a sell order, sell limit. Once the market goes all the way, triggers here, Excuse me. Tough. Once the market hits at this position, I'm actually anticipating that the market will drop again to this level, somewhere around here. So it might go here, come back, touches 170.259. So you have to wait if it's going to break all the way down, you can enroll another trade to this position. So that's how I'm looking at Swiss franc versus Japanese yen, Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. Maybe water will help. All right. So that's a Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. What else can we look in terms of Chinese news or Hong Kong news? There's another instrument called Hong Kong dollar versus Japanese yen. Hong Kong dollar versus Japanese yen. While we are looking at this instrument, remember there was a Chinese CPI and the Chinese PPI, Producer Price Index, and again, Consumer Price Index. So this is another instrument, HKD versus JPY, that you can be able to participate. Again, I can already see that the market is trying to push the price all the way to 18.914, which is really a move from 190. I just want to touch 190 because of this position here. So it's gonna touch 190 because of this position, but from there, this is a very nice trade or nice position that actually you can enter where the market will start, dropping. So another trade there. Okay, all the way. Another trade there that you can capitalize. You can put your order there, expecting the price to push all the way down to 18.914. So that's Hong Kong dollar versus Japanese yen. That's what I'm actually anticipating regarding that. Okay. All right. The other stuff I'm just checking up. Okay. I think I'm in a trade of UK 100, of UK 100. Let's see, because I can see already UK 100 just pushes the price all the way to this level. All right, let's look at another instrument. Because of later on, again, we're gonna have a dollar news. Let's see something else that we never analyzed it before. I don't think we did S&P 500. We never analyze S&P 500 on our daily trade analysis. Maybe we should look at S&P 500 and see how it's gonna look it out. Okay, so this is a new chart. What I normally do is to remove the grid so that it can be plain. When I put it on a candlestick, a little bit of zoom, push the price a little bit that side. Look how it already showing you the level of this trade, already showing really interesting that the market is about to push the price all the way down. This is the highest position where the market has been. Again, high anticipated is to come to this level. Why we're not counting this? Because it pushes the price, but it pulls the price all the way down, force breakout. And then it's been continuing doing the same thing over and over again. All right, just hold on.